December 4th, 2023, students at Ritchie Elementary were in for a big surprise.
Well, we're so excited that you guys are here. Thank you so much for this grant.
Thanks to a grant from Lyondell Basell, the Ritchie Elementary Library received a book vending machine.
Are you ready to use it?
Students can earn the reward of picking out their own brand new book.
What do you like? What number is it? 5.
Several of these machines have been installed across Pasadena ISD. Getting the chance to earn a brand new book has been a big hit with students.
Good job! Congratulations! Oh, the students are overwhelmed and overjoyed with happiness. They encourage each other to read. It's just such a positive thing for them. We got the vending machine last year. It was part of a grant. We are so excited to be using it for our Renaissance learning and promoting literacy at our school.
We really wanted something to motivate our readers here at Park, so I wrote the mini grant, I got awarded the mini grant, and we were able to purchase the book vending machine. They earn the coin to get a free book in the vending machine by growing an illiteracy skill or just simply finishing reading a book.
I am so excited that our students have an opportunity to select books from the vending machine. It's such a wonderful opportunity for all students. Lobos lead the pack.
They're not only receiving a book, but they're able to use a vending machine, which is not very common. It's a memorable experience that's going to go with them. Maybe at first they're reading for that reward, but during this process when they're reading, they're maybe finding out that they actually love to read.
Looking into some of the campuses that had already received the book vending machine, we thought that it'd be a great way to promote literacy on our campus and offer our students a reward for making behavior choices and also attendance.
Good morning, Math and Mustang.
We announce winners at the end of each month on our morning announcements. Have you guys been making great choices? We're going to select 8 students.
It builds a community of readers when they see that their peers are reading and they talk about the books they love.
Really, we just want to motivate the students to keep reading.
So that's our ultimate goal for students, to build a love for reading and to be lifelong readers.
Having the opportunity to get home and open up a brand new book is something that words can't describe.
Thank you, Education Foundation.
One book coming right up.